इसका प्रोग्राम है
अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर
At a government-run orphanage north of the Pakistani capital Islamabad, children orphaned by the earthquake gather for morning class. Separated from his parents by the quake, 13-year-old Aurangzeb thinks they're dead. But just as class is settling down for the first lesson of the day, a delegation from the Red Cross arrives carrying exciting news. Against the odds, and 6 months after the event, Aurangzeb's mother has been found alive and well.
क्या सोचा था मिलेंगे कि नहीं मिलेंगे
के बारे में सोचा था नहीं मिलेंगे फिर भी
चलो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह ने करम किया है
अब क्या सोच रहे थे आपके दिमाग में क्या मतलब आप क्या सोच रहे थे
मैंने सोचा था कि अम्मी फोत हो चुकी है बात तस्वीर
औरंगज़ेब आप काफ़ी उदास थे हाँ
बहुत अच्छी
ये बच्चे अल्लाह का शुक्र अदा करो सब सलामत हैं जो ही बस रास्ते खुलते हैं इंशाल्लाह आप
The Red Cross delegates have also brought a letter from Aurangzeb's mother. But instead of calling him home, she tells him to stay just where he is. She knows the facilities and education available to him at the orphanage are much better than he'd get at home. And as a mother, she wants what's best for her son. For his part, Aurangzeb's just happy to know that she's still alive. And it's the closure of stories like this that mark the end of the emergency phase of the relief effort. A relief effort which so far has won almost universal praise.
All independent observers will tell you that we handled it very well, and it was a collective effort to evacuate people, to provide medical aid, to provide food and shelter. And this process is now gradually coming to an end. We want people to gradually move out of the tents and the refugee camps into permanent homes. We have impressed upon people that living in a tent with your family forever is not the best thing for them or their children.